Rahita Atmanam. So it's kind of related to Raha, Re Raha Hung. I'm living with my Atma. But they're saying that because this word means my Atma has left me. I'm without my Atma. So I'm mentioning here, the gopis are saying Rahita Atmanam, because Atmanam means mind and soul and consciousness, many things. So the gopis are saying Krishna's gone, our minds are gone, our everything is gone. Rahita Atmanam. We are losing our minds in separation from Krishna. Rahita also means deserted, and Atma means soul, mind, self. So combining Rahita and Atma, and we see that it means the gopis' minds and their very souls, Atma, have deserted them to run after Krishna.